you can see what a bachelor's refrigerator looks like in here. Here's celery that's been in here for about 4 weeks. Now, as you can see, I have this celery wrapped up tightly in aluminum foil. This has been in there for about 4 weeks. Let's have a look at it. You can see the foil's been wrapped and unwrapped multiple times while I harvest a stalk or two off of this bunch. Now, if you listen, you'll hear it crunch. That's after 4 weeks. Now, the reason that the foil works best is that the foil protects the celery from ethylene gas. If you have fruit in your refrigerator, and by the way, you should never commingle fruits and vegetables, because fruits, when they ripen, they give off ethylene gas, and celery doesn't like ethylene gas. The foil protects the celery from ethylene gas.
Well, there you go, folks. Based on my own personal experience, I can tell you without any question, the best way to store celery is to wrap it tightly in aluminum foil and store it in the coldest part of your refrigerator, which is usually the crisper drawer.